how to change React emoji on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the message icon in the top right corner. This will open your direct messages. Now, select the conversation where you want to react to a message. Find the specific message you want to react to, then tap and hold on to it. A small set of default emoji reactions will appear. You can choose one of these by tapping on it, or if you want to use a different emoji, tap on the plus icon. When you tap on the plus icon, a full emoji menu will open. Here, you can browse through all the emojis available on your device. Tap on the emoji you want to use and it will appear under the selected message. If you want to quickly react with a heart emoji, you can also double tap the message. This will automatically apply the heart reaction without opening the emoji menu. Using this feature, you can react to messages with any emoji instead of just the default ones, making your conversations more expressive and fun. That's how to change React emoji on Instagram.